Hey Catherine, sorry that I have not had time to make a real video. I will make one as soon as I can. So when you're multiplying mixed numbers, okay, what we have to do is, let's say we have 3 and 2, 6, okay, you have to change this to an improper fraction. So how do you do that? You multiply 6 times 3, and then you add, right? So here's my multiplication symbol, and then my addition symbol. So 6 times 3 plus 2. What does that look like? 6 times 3 is 18. Plus 2 is 20. Okay? So what is that? That equals 20 over 6. My denominator has to stay the same. Okay? So 20 over 6. And you want to know how we get that back from an improper fraction to a mixed number? Check this out. 20 divided by 6, right? Because we know that fractions are just division problems. 20 divided by 6. Well, 6 goes into 20 3 times. Oh, and that's 18, right? So then it's 2 is our remainder. 3 remainder 2. Oh, look. 3 with a remainder of 2 over 6. 3 and 2/6. So once you get it to an improper fraction, now we can, we can multiply. There you go. Now you can multiply times any other fraction, right? So I'm going to write 2 different improper fractions. All right. So 3 and 2/6 times 4 and 1/5. All right, 3 and 2/6. 6 times 3 is 18 plus 2. 20 over 6 times 5 times 4 is 20 plus 1. 21 over 5. What does that equal? Oh man, this is a big number. Let's see. 6 times 5 is 300, or is 30, right? And then 21 times 20, we'll add our 0 to 410. Okay. And then now we just have to reduce, right? Or we can divide and turn it back into a mixed number. What's 410 divided by 30? Okay, 30 goes into 41 one time, and there's a remainder of 11. Drop my 0. 30 goes into 110 3 times, right? So 3 times 30 is 0, 9. And then you have 20, remainder of 20. 13, remainder of 20. Oh, check this out. So 410 divided by 30 is 13 and 20 over 30. And what is our final answer? We can drop these zeros. Equals 13 and 2/3. Okay. That is my one example of multiplying 2 mixed numbers. Now, let me show you how to multiply a fraction times a mixed number. And remember that this is a video, so you can pause, you can rewind, you can watch it. Let's say I want to multiply 8 times, I don't know, 2/5. Isn't that just the same as saying, oh, 8 over 1 times 2/5 equals 8 times 2 is 16, 1 times 5 is 5. Cool. So that equals, what's 16 divided by 5? It's 3. 15, and then 1, remainder 1. So 3 and 1 over 5, because my denominator is 5 right here. It's awesome. All right. So the key here that with multiplying whole numbers times fractions, okay, or multiplying whole numbers times 6 times 2.5. Okay, you have to take the mixed number to a fraction. You have to take the whole number to a fraction. So what does that turn into? 6 over 1 times 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1. 5 over 2 equals 30 over 2. Oh man, look, that's awesome. What's 30 divided by 2? 15 is my final answer. That's it. That is multiplying whole numbers and fractions, multiplying whole numbers and mixed numbers, and then mixed number times a mixed number. I'll have another video. I'm sorry for the delay. Hope you're doing well, and talk to you soon.